Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get your data entry jobs in Upwork. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so stay tuned. I will show you each and every part so you can start your freelancing journey without no money. So if you are a student and if you start your freelancing journey and if you want to start your side hustle and freelancing business, so this video for you. So if you are new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel because I make videos how to make money online, how to start your freelancing journey, how to start YouTube, how to start blogging and lots of things. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's jump into the main topic. As a beginner, you can start your freelancing journey with Upwork. So if you don't know what is Upwork, so just Google it. So just go to upwork.com and you will see the website. Here you can see the find talents. It's for business owner or business or agency, and it's for find work. That's mean we want to earn money. That's mean way to earn, so we can earn money by selling our services. And here you can see it's completely free, no cost to join. So you can hire someone or you can hired by someone. That's mean you can join as a freelancer or you can join as a client. Okay, so first of all, if you don't have any account Upwork, so just click on sign up, and if you have any account, so just click on join. So just click on sign up, and here you can see the two options: join as a client or freelancer. So if you are a client or if you are a business owner or if you want some freelancers, so this option is for you. And if you want to make money from Upwork by selling your services, it could be your graphic design skill, web design skill, data entry, lead generation skills, and lots of things. Okay, so just click on here. I'm a freelancer looking for work, so apply as a freelancer. Just click on it, and here you can see sign up to find work you love. Okay, so you can continue with your Apple account or you can continue with your Google account. So the best option is input your valid name. That's mean your real identity, your first name, last name, obviously your valid email address, because Upwork will send you a verification email so that you can verify your email address. So put your email address, and here you can see the password, and the character should be 8 or more, and you can put your password as a strong password. And this option for your country, that's mean where you live. Okay, so you will see the lots of countries here. So if you are eligible, I think it's a worldwide, so don't worry about it. Wherever you are, you can just select your country. And so after fulfilling this field, just click on this, and yes, I understand, I agree, it's a terms and condition, so it should be a check mark, and just create your account. Click on it, and it should be created your account, and a verification email sent to your email address. Just check it and just follow the steps. Okay, so I have a already Upwork account, so I don't have any chance to create another account in this device. So I will log in my account and I will come back my next step. Okay, so stay tuned. Put your email address or username. Here you can see you can log in with your username or email address. So I can input my email address and continue with email. Okay, or you can also log in with your Gmail and Apple account, as I showed you the in sign up section. Okay, so continue with email. Okay, and here you can see paste it here and click on login. Alright, here you can see it's a two-step authentication verification. That's mean okay, so verify an Upwork app notification to continue. So already in my mobile I have Upwork account and it's login right now. And if I want to log in my device, okay, it's a really high security. So if I want to log in this device, in this my laptop, so I have to verify. Okay, that's why I have to send here. So click on send it, and here you can see go to your mobile device settings, turn on Upwork app notification. So already I received a notification in my mobile app, and just you will see it will automatically approve. Okay, so if I click on confirm in my mobile device, I've already did it, and here you can see it will automatically go to my main account. So that's how you have to log in, that's how you have to sign up. So this is my profile. All right, so I will not take more times, so I will directly show you how you can get your data entry job. All right, so how you can do this. So here you can see the find work. You can always select find work, and here you can see jobs you might like, best message, most recent, and saved job. Okay, so I will show you each and every steps how you can get your job. Okay, so here you can see the it's a job search for a job, and also here you can see the another search bar, and here you can see the jobs. So if you want jobs, so definitely you have to select jobs. Also, if you want to hire someone, that's mean here you can see the talent, find freelancer and agencies. Okay, and here is job section, that's mean apply to jobs posted by clients, project, see project from the other apps. So our task should be find the jobs. Okay, here you can see the search bar, just type data entry. Here you can see already the data entry, you can see. So click on data entry and you will see a new page. Okay, and here you can see I searched already data entry and jobs found 16,293 jobs found. That's amazing. So we have to filter something else like short. You can always select short by newest. That's mean the new job will be appear in your first page. It's a filter by category. If you are a entry level, so here you can see the experience level. So that's why we love Upwork very much, because if you are an expert, you can select expert, and here you can see the expert job is available 3,257, intermediate and entry level. So if you are a beginner, so click on beginner, entry level. So that's the practice. Always you can do it as an entry level if you are a beginner, because you don't need to intermediate or expert level job because you don't have any skill like that. Okay, and here you can see the job type. You can select the job type. Okay, hourly rate you can select under 10 and above 100 plus. It's perfect. It's an hourly rate, and if you want to work with a fixed price job, here you can see a less than 100. So click on less than 100. It's a fixed price. Okay, and the number of proposals less than 5. Here you can see. So this part is really important. So have a look on that. Less than 5. That's mean on that job less than 5 people they've already applied. Okay, so you always check this. So you will see the fresh. Okay, here you can see the client info, my previous client, payment verified. It's really important. So payment verified, click on payment verified, that's mean. And here you can see client history. That's another very important part. No hires, that's mean 2 buyers already they didn't hire any freelancers. So we always check mark this 1 to 2 9 hours 28 and 10 plus hires. Okay, so that's important. You can also check the location, client time zone. Okay, fixed budget already we did it, and project length. All right, so we have multiple filters already applied, and now we have only 25 jobs found. So as a beginner you have to apply among them 25 and you have to search from them. Okay, the first one is Shopify virtual assistant, list new product post 4. And the second project is build and DM TikTok IG influencer list phone case. And you can see virtual assistant Paraguay, data entry lead generator for a specific niche. Alright, and building email database to 300 crypto influencers. Okay, so just click on that. So if you want to do this job, so what should you do? You have to read very carefully the job description first, and you have to make a sample. So when you understand the job, so you can easily do a sample project, and when you're ready, so click on apply now. You can send a proposal with sample. Okay, and if the sample is correct, maybe buyer will hire you. And here you can see it's already hires. So interviewing 2, that's mean buyer interviewed 2 person and he hires 1. So that's the win-win situation. And skills, data entry skills, that's been other data entry, data mining, lead generation, data scraping. And always check this section if this section is available. So you have to answer this kind of questions, and it's an ongoing project, and it's a really high opportunity to work. And here you can see the fixed price is $14. So don't worry about this, because when you can hire again and again, so it will increase. Okay, so this is how you can filter and you can find a job. And here you can see virtual assistant needed for Pinterest pinning full-time position, data entry, e-commerce product and pictures. Okay, so if you know you can do the e-commerce product listing or data entry e-commerce, so you can do this. Looking for personal virtual assistant, and the skills it should be data entry, and mainly data entry, emailing, scheduling. And if you think you can do this project, just apply this project. Okay, so this is how you can find lots of virtual assistant, data entry, lead generation, copy paste, web research jobs on Upwork. Okay, I think this video gonna help you a lot. If you are a beginner, you can start your freelancing journey with Upwork as a virtual assistant, data entry and lead generation expert. So don't think it's a really hard, don't think you cannot do this project. So it's a step-by-step process, so you're gonna learn by yourself when you applying, when you creating, when you completing any job. You can DM me through Instagram, so check out my Instagram page also. So I will come back with another video, so stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.